Uzothi masujoyinile ungaveli ubhadale because abanye abantu bayabhadala kuphela but abasayenzi i-task ekumele bayenze. So uma ujoyinile mhlampe sewurejistile wafaka amagama akho nayo yonke into, ngicela uphinde ubuye kimi masuqeda ukubhadala because bazokunikeza i-akhawunti yakho. Shuthi le-akhawunti yakho le ilapho wena ozofaka khona imali, ozobonakala e-ofisini ukuthi you are registered kuleyo akhawunti i-akhawunti leyo kumele uyikhiphe kube yakho leyo akhawunti leyo masuqedile ukuyifaka imali yakho, ngicela ubuye kimi, understand, ubuye kimi ngizokubonisa ukuthi kumele uyenze kanjani futhi, understand. So ngoba abanye abantu bayabhadala bayitshele ukuthi sebaqedile, ngicela ungakuyenzi lokho, understand. Ukhumbule amaphakheji wakhona ngosuku akubhadala mangabe ufaka u-350 ngosuku akubhadala 12 rand, mara imali yakho iyadablisha uma nawe u-add abantu ngaphansi kwakho, understand. So lento iyabanceda abantu kakhulu, especially la eMzansi. Abantu bakwazi ukuthenga iy'moto, abantu bakwazi ukuzenzela izinto. Ungasali kulento, ngenza make sure ukuthi wena uyangena namhlanje, understand. Zama ukuthi ungene namhlanje, understand. So uma ufuna ukuthi ngikusize, nazi iy'namba zami laphaya kubhayo, ubheke la phambi kubhayo uzosithola iy'namba zami ze-WhatsApp. Ungene ngo-350, ungene ngo-900, ungene ngo-2000. And uma ungena ngo-2000 ukhumbule ukuthi imali yakho lapho ezokunikeza ngo-80 days kuzoba u-60,000. And into engichaza ngayo ukuthi wena it's either uyafuna ukuhamba ukuyodrowa namhlanje lowo 200 loyo, noma lowo 75 rand, noma lowo 12 rand lowo ozobe uthola ngosuku. Uyakwazi ukuwudrowa, uyakwazi ukuwukhipha, uyakwazi ukuwukhipha, uyakwazi ukuwuyeka ukuthi ukhule. It's up to you because lento ine-ofisi e-South Africa elise-Mbombela, elise-Centurion, and then namaphoyisa kuthiwa ajoyinile, yonke into ijoyinile. So wena mangabe ufuna ukuzincisha uzozincisha i-opportunity yakho yokuthi ukhulise imali yakho. So in this investment we are helping each other to grow. It's not like uzobhadala this month uphinde ubhadale next month, awubhadala kayi-1 a month, and then ipackage yakho mase expayile uyophinda futhi ubhadale futhi, understand. Uma wena ufuna ukubhadala, it's up to you. Ngena uma ufuna ukwenza imali, thatha i-opportunity intsha, isase-fresh, isashisa, ithathe le-opportunity isashisa. Ngoba wayeka uzothola abanye abantu abaningi sebajoyinile, usathi uyabasiza, bakutshela ukuthi sesiphakathi. Thatha i-opportunity isashisa.